Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to teach you how to use InShot to edit your video. It's very simple, okay? This is free, okay? If you want to use InShot as free, because some people do pay monthly, monthly payment to use InShot or KMaster. But today I want to show you how to use InShot. First of all, you click this InShot, then to take you to this place, you click video, then you click new. Then it will take you to this your gallery where you have your videos and everything. So let's say now I want to use this place. Now I want to use this my daily vlog as an example. I click daily vlog. Then if I have another video again to add, I will still add another one. Let's say for example I add this one. Okay, we have two videos here now. Then you come down to this place and mark good. You see this place here. Okay, now we are in this place now. This is not the exactly size I want. Okay, I'm making YouTube video, guys. This is not the size that I want. But first of all, before we go into that size, let's remove this logo here, because I see some video on YouTube, some people don't actually remove the logo. Maybe they don't know how to do it. All you need to do is to click this X here. You click it, then it will take you to this place, free remove. You click that free remove. You just have to wait for some seconds, okay? Because right now I off my internet because of the advert. Just wait for some seconds. Okay, now you can see here there is no more logo. Now this size is not the size that I want. Okay, all you need to do is to come to this place here. You click canvas. You see, it take you to this place here. There are so many sizes here. You have Instagram size. This is another one, 1.1, 4.5, then 16.9. 16.9 is for YouTube, and that is what I want right now. Then you click that 16.9. You see here, it will appear like this. In case you want to zoom your video, you want to zoom it, all you need to do, you see this place here, they wrote pitch to zoom in. All you need to do, you come to this arrow here, you can see, then you shift it. If you want to zoom it, you zoom it. If you want to make it smaller, you make it smaller like this. You can see the size. Then if you want to make it large, you can also do it here. So I leave it in 12. You can see. Then you click this good here. It will take you back to this place. Okay, now let's say you want to add video on top of this your video you are editing. Okay, all you need to do is to click this place, because they have so many right up here, so many things here. Okay, all you need to do is to click this place, pip, which is PIP. You click it, then it will take you back to your gallery again. Then now I want to add video on top of my video that I'm editing. What should I do? Then I click this place here. You guys see the video here. I'm just using this one as an example. Now you want to make this video big a little. All you need to do is to put your hand in this arrow. You can see it. Then you make it big, wide, or you make it small. So I'll prefer wide. Okay, then I put it here. You can see it here now. So if I want this video now, I want to lower the volume. I don't want the volume to be going out. Okay, all I need to do is to come to this place here. You can see volume. You click the volume, then you lower the volume here. This is 100%. You lower it, then you play it again. You make it good. You come back to this place. Okay, now for example, let's play the video. You see this particular one, there is no noise here now. The video is low. Okay, let's continue playing. You can see, you see, I lower the volume there. So now let's go back. You click the good, you go back. Okay, now let's talk about pictures, in case you want to add picture on top of your video. Okay, you come to sticker. You click the sticker. Here, three things will appear here, which is sticker, text, and detail. Then you click sticker. Then it will take you to this place here. I don't want to use this emoji. As for me, this emoji looks so local. Okay, I don't want to use this emoji. In case you want to use any emoji like subscribe, follow, thumbs up, you can come this place here, searching. Okay, then maybe you can type this one. No, because I off my internet. Without internet, all this one will not play. Let me click here. Okay, you see this place here now, you see a lot of emoji like subscribe, like thumbs up, follow, and even bear. There are many emojis here. For example, let's use this one. You click it, then just position it in one angle like this. Then now go back, click good. You go back, you see this place here, this particular place. Okay, this place here, if you want this subscribe to go through your video, okay, without stopping, if you want everybody to be seeing it on top of your video, all you need to do, just click this place here. This place, you see it will write video end, clip end. Just click video end. Now let me show you. You play your video, just be looking at this subscribe on top of your video. The thing will just go straight to the end of your video. Okay, then let's go back. Let's say now you want to add sticker picture. You click this place here, you come to sticker, then you see this place here. Now they have two different size here. This one looks like gift box. Okay, then you have to click this one that look like what is it, quadro, as in frame. Okay, not gif. You have to click frame. You click the frame, then it will take you to this place. I have used these pictures before, but I don't want to use them now. Then you click this plus. Okay, just click it, then it will take you to where your pictures is. Now let's use this picture. You can see the picture here. Same way, put your hand here, then you make it small. Just put it in one angle. Use your hand to drag it to the angle. Okay, now let me show you another thing. If you want to clean the background of your picture, all you need to do, you click this place here. You see this place here, this particular place, this one, you click it. Then that same picture, you click the picture. Guess what, guys? This is the magic. You can see there is no background. All you need to do, put your hand here, you make the picture smaller, then you position it here. Now click the good. You click on. You can see the two. Look at the two pictures now. You can see the difference. This was the first one that I used before. You can see the background there. And this one is the second one. No background. Why? Because it's because of this sago mat that you guys are seeing here. This one. This one here. Okay. This sago mat here. This sago mat is the one that removed the background. Now you go back, click good. If you want this picture to be in your video always, all you need to do, just click here. You see video end, clip end. You click video end. Then same way with this one, video end. Then you play it. You see the picture will be the end of your video. Then if you want to cover the face, maybe you are using someone's picture or video, okay, you don't want anybody to see that face, you want it to be private, all you need to do, you click detail. You see they have something here. There are so many different shadows here. Anyone you like, you see, you can just click it. You see the shadow. If you want to cover, let me say this video now that is playing here, you want to cover the hand, you can see it now. You see the shadow, just use it to cover it. That is it. You see the face is covered, the hand is covered. Or if you want to cover everything that person is doing, you can use it to cover it for safety or for privacy. Okay, so this InShot is very, very good. It's so easy. Now let's go back. You see, so in case you want to save the video, you can see save up here. You see save up here, then you click save. You save your video. Okay, so if you want to add anything, maybe text, you want to write something on top of your video, you see here text, or you want to add music, you can click this place here, music, sticker, text, filter, peep, pre-cut if you want to cut your video, split if you want to split your video. Maybe sometimes there is an error, you just want to cut it, you click this split. First of all, you click the video like this, then you click split. Wherever you want to cut it, you just cut it. Delete, background, speed, animation, crop, volume, voice effect. In case you want to change your voice, maybe there is noise in the background, with this voice effect, you see, you can change the voice. Okay, the noise. Okay, the noise, in case there is any noise in the background, you can use this one to remove the noise. Replace video, duplicate, reverse, rotate, flip. In case you want to flip your video or your picture, then freeze. Anyone you want to do it, it's very, very easy. So this is the place that you can actually save your video here. You can save your video in this place here. Thank you guys, till I come your way again. Bye.